In this video, I will show you how to open and change the batteries of your Samsung TV remote control. Now, over here is my Samsung TV remote control. If your Samsung TV remote control is a little bit different from this one, you don't have to worry. The whole process is quite the same. Now, what you want to do is to just turn over to the back of the remote control, and from over here you can literally see the arrow pointing downwards. So you just want to pull this back cover just like so, and you should be able to slide out the battery pack cover. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and remove your batteries. So from the top over here, just use your finger to pull out the batteries. And as you can see, my battery over here is quite bad. Go ahead and remove the other batteries as well. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and get your Samsung TV remote control batteries, but you should also be careful the type of Samsung TV remote control batteries you get. For some, you would need the AAA battery, and for some, you will need the AA batteries. In my case, it is actually the AAA, and I actually have these new ones I just got over here. If you do not know the type of batteries that your Samsung TV remote control uses, you can check the description of this video to help you out. Now once you get your batteries, you want to go ahead and insert them just like so. Make sure that the spring part on the remote control is actually hitting the back of the battery or the bottom of the battery. Just insert it just like so, and then go ahead and close back the battery pack. You can slide it upwards just like so, and you're good to go. Now you can go ahead and try controlling your Samsung TV, and it will definitely start working properly. Now if the remote control does not start working automatically for some Samsung TV remote control, you just want to go ahead and press on the back button and the play pause button at the same time. But this actually is for some Samsung TV remote control. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.